Hey guys, it's Ashley and today we are unboxing the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for October. If you're not familiar with this is a $25 a month beauty subscription box that sends you 5 full-size items of which you will select some. Sorry. So this is the upgraded version of the Glam Bag, which is $12 a month. I do unbox those as well. This is sent to me from Ipsy for review, just so you know, but I'm not affiliated. I don't make any money. Like if you buy or subscribe, I don't make any money. But I did already post these on TikTok, so I do know what's in here. This is the Halloween. You get it? But I do love these boxes, and I'm super excited to share it with you guys. So anyway. What's in the box? All right, so there's a little picture, a top-down view, I guess. The bag for this month is the drawstring, purple and black with skeletons and snakes and just fun, like kind of, I want to say like alchemy kind of a feeling, you know, like those very symbolic pictures of like the hand and, all right, pretty cool, pretty fun. All right. So in here we have our little insert. Halloween, ready to look drop dead gorgeous this month. Welcome to Ipsy's Halloween, where we've conjured up everything you need to frightfully flawless skin and ghoulishly glam looks, all in a bewitching bag design you voted for. So apparently it was voted on. I had no idea. All right, first up is from Dew of the Gods. This is their under eye volumizing collagen pads. I'll be honest. In past boxes, bags, whatever, whenever there's like some sort of an under eye product, I'm like, I'm just not excited by it. I'll tell you, the older I get, the more I like this kind of stuff. And there's 10 sets in here, so there's 20 total. And they come in this cool little tin, which you could paint and reuse. Just saying, or wipe off the words. Like, I don't want it to say Dew of the Gods, but you could put all sorts of stuff in there. Like, it's waterproof, you know? Great to put like money in if you're out and sweating. If you've ever worked retail, hit me up and let me know if you've ever had somebody hand you money from a weird area of their body that is just wet in a way that you're like, that's not cool. Get a waterproof wallet, for reals. Come on, tell me that you have not had that moment. Anyway, there's 10 of these, excited for that. All right, next up we have this cute little like highlight brush from the VC collection. This was also in there was a collection of these brushes in the September box. So this is a brand that I'm not really familiar with. I'm gonna have to find out a little bit more. It is like, it has a pink tip on the black brush, and then there's pink on the handle as well. It feels very soft. It is a synthetic, I'm gonna guess, but like 99.999% sure. Very pretty though, great to hit the cheekbones and give yourself a nice little glow. You could also use this in a million other ways, but that was just the first one I thought of. So there's that. Next up, we have the Dr. Brandt Facial Cleanser. Cleanse, Purify, Exfoliate. So this is the, this is ideal for oily or combination skin, which isn't necessarily my skin type. I tend to have dry skin, but lately, because my skin's been doing well, it's just kind of normal, dry in certain areas. So you apply this on damp skin to form a rich lather, rinse well, wet with water, avoid eyes, use AM and PM. And I looked at this and I don't think it has hyaluronic acid, so that's actually really good. I'm gonna try this out. If it kind of dries me out a little bit, I'll pass it on to my daughter. They're at that age where they love this kind of stuff, they just love it. So not a bad product, not necessarily formulated for me. All right, second to last, we have the Kat Von D Tattoo Pencil Liner. This is a long wear gel eyeliner in the color Verdetta Green. I don't have anything like this, so I'm not gonna lie, a little bit excited. I know she's like somebody, we don't talk about her. You know, she's dead to us, canceled. Clearly she still exists and she's still in beauty boxes. So I personally, I don't worry about what people do in their personal lives. If they make a product or something, if you dig deep enough on anyone, ooh, that's beautiful. I actually really love that. It's so dark. It almost looks black, but you just enough, right, where you can get that green, and the quality is really nice. But anyway, like I was saying, you dig enough on anyone, you're gonna get something you don't like. So I just prefer not to know. I know that's probably all right. Unless it's really bad, but then we'll let the cops deal with it. All right, then finally, this is our palette. This is from Element Beauty. This is the True Nude palette. So this is a 8-pan, cruelty-free, vegan, paraben, and gluten-free palette. It does have a mirror. This is a classic neutral palette. Like, you have one shimmer, and then like that's it, the color Sugar here. We have a color called Cream, Latte, Hazelnut, Caramel, Cappuccino, Cold Brew, and Espresso. I'll try to swatch those in the video. If I don't, it's because I'm gonna save it for a gift for somebody, and I'd rather not put my fingers all over it. So in my box for this month, we get our cool little brush, we get our iPads, we get our cleanser, our eyeliner, our full-size palette, and our fun Halloween bag, all for just $25. And again, you do get to pick one of these items, which I think is really cool. So if you're interested in checking out Ipsy, check them out below. And if you're interested in checking out any one of my other thousands of videos, please do that. Subscribe, hit the bell, or whatever those people say. Just hang out with me more. I like it. Anyway, thank you guys so much for hanging out. I'll see you next time.